What's up, guys? Now I'm reviewing my Majin Vegeta and TN. Yeah, TN. This is the start of Saga 2. But there's two more figures to complete the Saga 2. I'm getting it. First, this is TN and yeah, Majin Vegeta. As you can see, in a review first is Majin Vegeta, obviously. Yeah. This from Realworks. And this not a bootleg, but we got the Realworks details and scope, yeah, rules, but no articulation. When it comes to articulation, the rule it sucks. When it comes to articulation, see there, muscles, yeah. The colors here are removed because of, yeah. There, Majin sign, there, as you can see, Vegeta's face. It's like what you call this, using an energy blast, but it's not clearly what it's gonna do. Obviously, it's energy blast gonna do, but don't know what energy blast. This is not final flash or what you call this. So that's the name. Yeah, sorry for the name, forgot it. Now TN. There are TN muscles. I think the energy blast of Majin Vegeta is Gallic Gun. Wait, I'm gonna check in YouTube if it's Gallic Gun. Wait a second, guys. YouTube. Wait a second. Please be correct. Well, on to the review. There's some more in his head, and I don't very like it, but it's okay, no big deal. And at the back, you can see there is a block again. I hate it, but I'm gonna review. Yeah, I'm reviewing now, but I'm gonna remove, not review. Sorry about that. There's a written shirt. I mean pants. There, as you can see, there's the whip. And here, there, and no shirt. I like his details, the muscle. As you can see, get the details, the muscles. It's like very buff, buffer than, I think it's buffer than my Broly, but not big as Broly. Who do you think more buff? This guy or this one? But yeah, tell him down there in the comments if who's buffer, Broly or TN. Now, it's Majin Vegeta. Gonna check the YouTube. Yeah, Gallic Gun. I'm correct. Victory is ours. Yeah, comparison, guys. The comparison Yeah, as you can see, I can already tell the comparison between these two guys. I think this I think SS2, yeah, I think that, yeah. This one, I think, I don't really know because I already watched the episode, but it's too long for now. That's last year because DBC is already made by, even 1995 is already made, yeah. 70s, I think, yeah. But, yeah, the end, very long. Bye guys. Next video is two figures, but I'm not gonna tell. That's a secret. But think next week, yeah. The review next week or this Saturday. Bye.